You know what they say, third time's a charm. We have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G in the building, so will it be a charm? Let's find out. What's up YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. In the last couple years in the tech world, some of the tech I've been most excited about has been foldables. So now, with the brand new Z Fold3 here, deep breath. Deep breath. It only makes sense that you guys experience this for the first time with me, so let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3, like, right now. Let's do it right now. Right now. Quick look at the box, you will see a Z logo, complete with a little embossed Galaxy Z Fold3 5G writing right there. On the left side, you see Samsung. On the right side, you see Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom except for some more information. And then on the back, some more information, some important information, as it says, which I've actually never took the time to read. Maybe I should probably do that. But I know, you don't care about so much what's on the box, you care more about what's in the box. Me too. So without any further ado, unboxing knife, ready to go? Let us unbox. 1, 2, and we are good to go. We shall take the box, flip it over, the moment we've been waiting for. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. I love how that just rolls off the tongue too. Z Fold3, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. But here it is, we will take a quick look. Oh, look at the new camera housing. Oh my gosh, okay, but hold up. Before we go any further with the phone itself, let's see what else comes in the box. Underneath where the phone is, you will see this little packet of information. Actually, on the other side, you'll see this. This is your SIM card ejection tool. Right there. In addition to that, if you actually open up this little packet of information, we've got some goodies. There's actually some more in there. Okay, is that it? Okay, that's it. You will see in this little packet of goodies, your first little advertiser card here telling you to actually get Galaxy Z Premier. Also in the box, you will see this. This is actually a USB-C to USB-C cord. That is a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cord, so you'll actually need this to charge up your Z Fold3. But notice how all you get is a cable, you actually don't get a wall adapter. So no power adapter to actually be able to plug this into the wall. Hopefully you have one on hand. If you don't, you need one. There's probably a little battery already to start, but you're gonna need a wall adapter to actually charge this up. Or of course, a wireless charger. You've got options, but USB-C cable included. And then besides that, you will see a quick start guide right here. If you actually open this up, we will unfold it. If you wanna get to know your device, if you wanna get connected, or if you need a little bit of support, you got a quick start guide that will walk you through that. So with this information right here, I will read that later. And that is it, nothing else here. That's it. We will take this and carefully place that off to the side. Take a closer look at the Z Fold3 itself. We shall remove the cellophane. I'm assuming we start over here. There's a little arrow. I think that's where we start. So let's do it. We're stuck. Okay, there's a little lip on the top there that I kind of gotta cheat a little bit. There we go, okay. Had to cheat a little bit, pardon me. There's the front display looking sexy as ever, but we shall continue on the main display. Ooh. I don't know why I get so excited over this device. I sincerely think that foldables, in some sense, are definitely the future. That's probably why, but let us continue. We'll flip it over. The cellophane is gone. The baby is in my hands. Oh, the Z Fold3. This color, this matte finish is amazing. Seems pretty durable. That'll be put to the test in the coming weeks, but it works. The front display, which I'm excited to turn on in a second. And then you open it up, oh my goodness. All right, first impressions, I'm just loving the build quality. You guys know I love a matte finish on any product. So we're getting a matte black finish on the back here of the Z Fold 3, as well as on the sides, which is just so nice. Overall, this just feels amazing in my hand. It felt amazing last year with the Z Fold 2, even more amazing now with the Z Fold 3. But obviously, we gotta turn it on. So to do that, I'm just going to fold it. Don't mind if I do. And we're gonna find the power button right here. We will press and hold, turn this baby on. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Welcome, we're ready to set it up, but if I actually open it up, boom, baby. There it is. Look at that, man. You just start on the front, you're like, I want it to be a little bit bigger. Open it up, it's full. Oh my good, actually, look at that. All right, so one of the main features you will notice on the Z Fold 3 is an under-display camera on the main display, and just glancing at it, it does not look half bad. Some people do not like it. They think it's more noticeable. I'm gonna say right out of the gate, definitely not more noticeable, at least on the welcome screen. Right off the bat, there's something about the Z Fold 3 that just feels almost lighter, somewhat slimmer. And when it's actually folded, this just seems slightly more organized as well. And the fact that both displays, both the front display and the main display have 120 hertz refresh rates now, when some phones out there still only have 60 hertz max. So far, just from a build quality and overall design perspective, it feels so good. There is so much about the Z Fold 3 to be excited about. But here's the thing, I've got to set this up before we go any further, so I'll work my magic. I'll snap my fingers and it'll be done. It's done. The Z Fold 3 being turned on for the first time. Oh my goodness, I forgot how much I enjoy this foldable experience. I love it. And one thing you immediately notice is that faster 120 hertz refresh rate on the front display as well. Woo! I might be MIA for like the next week just playing with this thing 24/7. So if you don't see updates from me, you know what I'm doing. But that is it. That is the Z Fold 3. So many cool things to test out. Oh, it just feels so good. I'm gonna really have to deep dive into the design aspects of what's different with the Z Fold 3 here, because something right out of the box is just making me absolutely love this. And like I said, I loved it before, I love it even more now, so we've got some good things going on. Ooh! Cannot wait. So of course, per usual, do not forget to subscribe to this channel to see my full review of the Z Fold 3 once that drops. Turn on notifications so you can be one of the first to actually see that review when it drops. And per usual, if you guys want to find out more about the Z Fold 3 or just to snag one of these babies for yourself, you guys can always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/zfold3, bmac.link/zfold3, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, I could do this. I could just do this. Start things on the front display, open it up, continue on the main display. I could just do that for like hours on end and I'd be entertained. I will see you guys in my next video. And I could once again aggressively hang up on spam calls. Whew. That's a feature in and of itself. Let me do it again.